So there's like this red robin that's pitching a fit because the bird feeder's empty. So I'm gonna see if I can catch him on camera. I'm gonna clean it out too because it looks pretty bad, but and put some more in and see if he calms down. But he's like pecking on the window and he keeps flapping around and gets in there and picks around and he picks at the window. So let's see what happens after I clean it out and put some more bird seed in it. Look him. Look at him. He's out there waiting. It's like, okay, fill it up, bring it back. Look at that. All right, so back out a little. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it out there empty, and then maybe see if I can get recorded him throwing a hissy fit again. Because I tried a couple times, and every time I came around the corner, he would see me and fly off. But as soon as I go sit back down, he'd start banging at the window again. But he is just patiently waiting because that's right where it's supposed to be hung up. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I hung it up, but the little tray where the food goes in, I haven't put back in yet. So let's go inside and see what he does. Okay, so like as soon as I came inside, he had already flown into it. But by the time I got the camera, he flew back off. So I'm gonna try to sit here as still as I can and wait and see what he does. Okay, I can hear him. Oh, there he is. Look at him. He's like, where's my food? Look at him. He is upset. Oh, there's other birds out there. See, there's plenty of birdseed down there, but he doesn't want to eat from the ground. He wants his tray filled up. I see you, buddy. Whoa. All right, I better go fill the tray up. He might break through the glass and come get me. Okay, tray's filled up. I'm gonna go put it in there, and then we'll see what he does. I don't get it. I filled it up. He jumped in there for a hot second and then jumped out and took off. Try to do something nice. And peace has been restored. And now he's a happy bird. That was so crazy. I literally, before I saw what it was, thought someone was trying to break in. And he was throwing a fit. But I guess he's all good now.